What's going on, guys? So back with another unboxing. I did go ahead and pick this up. It was on a 15% sale, so screw it. I forgot I do a lot of TikTok and I've been needing this thing. I missed it ever since I gave away the 6. So I went ahead and I picked up the 7P. All right, so let's unbox this thing and see what all comes with it out of the box. So you get the gimbal itself wrapped in this. Let's see what else we get in the box here. We get QR code, looks like some instructions. And then we get this other little box right here. Let's see. And in this box, it looks like the module. Nope, that's the clamp for the phone. And yep, this is the modulator that you need to track yourself, the little AI modulator. So that's it right there. And then everything else we get in here is Type-C. We get 2 Type-C cables, a short one here. Oh, this is for using the Bluetooth with the microphone, I believe. And then this is Type-C to Type-C. All right, so let's take a look at this gimbal. It's pretty much gonna be the same as the 6 I had, except for the AI piece for tracking. That's pretty much the only other difference. Taking a quick look at this thing. It does fold up a little bit different. My other one would fold up to the side. Okay. Yeah, this comes already with, just like the Insta360. So you no longer have to screw in an extra piece here at the bottom. That's cool. So unfolding this, turns it on. So yeah, all the controls and everything else is pretty much the same. I know these things here are pretty stiff, but everything else with the controls is basically the same thing. There might be some subtle differences there, but I don't think it's gonna be anything major. So when I go out, I do plan on taking a little vacation here next week. And I got a new drone as well. I'm gonna do a video on my new drone that I picked up. So that's connecting that piece, automatically hooked up. And I may do a short video with my iPhone, using it in just a native Apple phone, the camera setting that comes with it, instead of going to DJI. But DJI's app does offer a little bit more. So let's put this little modulator on there. I'm calling it a modulator. I don't actually know the correct name. I'm sure somebody will correct me in the comment section. We got a red light with that connected. So I don't have a phone or anything in there yet, but I may do a quick short video just to show you how this thing is working. But right now I'm just using my iPhone. That's what I'm recording this video on, with a selfie stick. But this is it in a nutshell, guys. This is pretty simple. So if you had one of these in the past, you should be very familiar with how this works, except this piece is new. This is the only thing that's really different. You know, having the extension and all of that is the same. I do think though now you can actually charge with this one where you couldn't charge before with the other one. So I'm gonna play around with it, do some videos with it, obviously, do some more TikToks with it, and see how it goes from there. Yeah, then it does the same thing, it just shuts down. So yeah, this isn't much different. So I'm gonna charge this thing up, come back with a quick video with the iPhone, using it with Apple's native camera app, and then we'll go from there, guys. And hopefully I'll be able to share a lot more on vacation using this setup. I'm using the Mic Mini with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we'll see how all of that works out. But until then, guys, that's it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. All right, guys, so here I am using it in the native camera app and cinematic mode. Right now, the light is red. It just turned green, had my hands up. So if you talk with your hands, it might be a problem. But you can still move this and adjust it to where you need, and it will stay there once you put it where you want it. And then when you move, it'll track you like it will on the normal DJI app. So just a quick video, guys, to show you how it works. Hold your hand back up, light turns red. Now it's no longer tracking me. Put my hand back up, turns green. Now it tracks me everywhere I go. Now, when it comes to slowing it down and speeding it up, I don't know yet. I got to play around with it. This is just the unboxing, first video using the iPhone 16 Pro Max, DJI Mini with the DJI Osmo mobile Gimbal 7P. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.